Diabetes. I'm so interested on the diabetes. My PhD also belongs to the diabetic foot ulcer. So in JIPMAR, we have the diabetic clinic. We are have the proposal to start the diabetic foot clinic also. So in JIPMAR, I did one study. As I would like to share in that what is the findings. I didn't know. Slide is moving?
No, slide, you have to play.
Can you visualize my slide?
Yes, we can see your slide.
Yeah. So in JIPMAR, I did one study. So main focus on the diabetic patient. So economic burden is very big economic issue for the patient. So when the patient have the diabetic, they have most of the patient, that is 80% of patient, 50% of patient, they have the chance to get the diabetic foot ulcer also. From that, more than 50% they have infected foot ulcer. Among that, 20% they have the amputation. So in this, diabetic foot ulcer is one of the huge complication compared to other complications. So that's why we have to simplify the cost-effective treatment in the diabetes. So in the diabetic foot ulcer patient, when they come to the hospital, they have to spend large. Yes, even though the government hospital also, the transport, these sort of thing, everything is they have to spend. So cost-effective treatment we want to find in the future for the diabetic patient. At the same time, we have to diagnose the patient issue in the early stage. So I present one case study in this, I did in the JIPMAR. I selected one of the patient that is 57 years old, that at the time of admission, the casualty as the HbA1c level is 9.7. He admitted with a severe infected diabetic foot ulcer with a fever. So I selected that patient. See, I applied for the citric acid dressing. Citric acid is that is commercially available in the all the pharmaceutical for the medical purpose. That I dissolved the 3%, 3 milligram of that is citric acid dissolved in the 100 ml of distilled water. That solution only I used for this as per the Wagner classification 1 and 2. So here this one, the patient have the foot ulcer in the both leg. So I applied that citric acid dressing for the 3 weeks, and for this left leg they have to used for the 7 days. So after this foot ulcer, there is a very huge changes I have to observe. So the cost effective, the same way I have to compare another one study is there, compare the cost effectiveness and wound healing process. Here also I have to make the big changes. For the citric acid dressing, their cost is 25 to 50 pies. Here there is the 5 to 15 rupees. So these are the major changes in the economically we can find out. So in the diabetic, we have to find the cost effective management. One thing we have to motivate. So we have to invented many advanced, that is, it should be the user friendly. It should be easy for the approach by the patient. So nowadays, most of the patient having the Android mobile. So we have to like, how is a SIM card? Like that, we have to create the sensor, that is the sensor that we have to insert in the footwear. That will be help to continuous monitoring the diabetic foot temperature. Based on that, that will give the information to the doctor through the telemedicine or the nurses to yearly give the warning to the patient. So this type of practice
Dr.
we have
Kumari,
to
I think
follow.
What we are discussing here is essentially the future of endocrinology. I think this is a very interesting paper or research that you have done.
Yeah, that's why I understood. So these are the aspect we have to change in the future. What I want to do for improve their nursing aspect, I'm focusing on the nursing aspect. In the nurses, we have to in research aspect, education aspect, and administrative aspect also we have to focus. In the education aspect, we have to do the interdisciplinary approach. When we are forming the curriculum also, we have to combine with the complementary therapy also within the curriculum. Then OG diabetes and pediatric diabetes and geriatric diabetes, like that you have to make a branch in the diabetic also. So these type of the additional fellowship course we have to develop in India, that will be more useful for the patient to give the effective care. So another the same way for the research aspect, most of the nurses when they are settled in the clinical side, nursing officer, they are not showing the interest to do the research. So wherever the nurses, wherever they're working in the endocrinology department, ward or ICU or wherever it is, they have to share their experience, they disseminate their experience with their journals. That will be helpful to disseminate their information to others also. So another one, the same way for the administrative aspect. So we are in India, we know there is a specialty scope is very, very less in the nurses. The doctors they are posted to the specialized, they are recruited in the specialist department, but the nurses recruitment, we are preparing the nurses in India for the multi-purpose. Wherever we need the nurses, we fit it into the particular department. So that type of practice we want to change. So when the doctors are highly specialized in the particular specialty, they can deliver the efficient patient care. At the same time, the nurses, their superficial knowledge only they are giving, but we are expecting the outstanding care from the nurses also. So that is the lacking in our India. That practice we have to change. We have to follow the same model which we are using for the medical people. The same model we have to fit into the nursing also. We have to create the scope, specialized nursing, subspecialty nursing scope also we have to create in India. We have to develop the nurse-led clinic in all specialty. Nurse-led clinic, we have the very, very less important. Many, very few metro, that is corporate hospital only they are following. In the hospital setup, in the government hospital, even though many INI institute, we are not giving the much important for the nurse-led clinic. So nurse-led clinic, we have to make a policy changes, how we are posted the nurses in the ward, OPD, ICU, the like that, we have to create one department, one section in this nurse-led clinic. The nurses are to post it than the routine. So this type of focus we have to do it in the future. So that will be very helpful. That is, endocrine is very young and very rapidly developing. At least in this specialty, you have to focus in this aspect. Then bringing care to the home. Many geriatric patients, they fall on the diabetic. So those people are unable to come to the hospital for the small things. So that's why you have to create another one model, that is a bringing home care model. This is also very effective in many system. So these are the changes we have to make it in the endocrinology nurses. In the future, we can get the very quality patient care. We have to enhance the nurses also. We have to create the opportunity for the specialized nurse in India. That we have to do it from the top level, from the administrative, make some policy changes. So that is only I want to present in this forum, because big people are sitting here and you have to do it something for the nurses. As a nurses day, you want to do, you have to enrich the nurses. You want to expect the better quality nurse from the nurses. So you have to do these all the things. That is the only thing my submission in this forum.